All right, we're live.
I've got Charlie for answer 3.
I agree.
Let me scroll up here.
I think so as well.
Okay. The residual is the difference between observed Y and predicted Y. So C.
Correct.
Yep.
Good
All right,
work.
so this one I got B. All residuals are positive.
Nice.
Like that one. That's just because that was the only one that that's the one that made the most sense. I was looking for the one that there's no pattern to it, but that's not an option. So
All the other ones are definitely.
I think residuals look normally distributed. Yeah, it's got to be. That one's weird. It might be A. It's the only other thing I could even think of.
Yeah,
I think it's A because residuals can be negative. You can have negative residuals.
right, and maybe
Okay.
we're trying to say when they are not formed, that's when they're normally distributed.
okay, I'd buy that for $1. As I said, like that's like it just. Yeah.
That is a weird one.
It's on
Yeah.
$7.50 though, Mark. You gotta come up with more.
Once again, slightly poorly designed. Questions. Okay. Massive efficacy. Okay.
All right. Number 6.
Is the score supposed to be the value, or is the
Score is the response.
Yeah.
So the first column needs to be the confidence rating then?
Right.
Jerk, they do that on purpose. You can't just copy and paste it. Okay.
Supposed to do with this?
Just us. That's actually what we're doing right now. Is just swearing up a story.
Like where's all the residual information on our table here? Where is it under a different tab, or am I just not seeing it?
So there's 2 things that you can do on this. Are you on the linear regression tab, right?
Yeah.
So the second you copy and paste in the very left-hand side, and then there's a box that says residuals.
Yeah, I see that.
You can either scroll through all that and just kind of look at your numbers, or if you highlight both column D and E, and then go to Insert and click on Scatter Plot, it'll create a scatter plot for you of that information.
Okay, so highlight the whole thing, and then
highlight D and E.
Hold on a second.
And then Insert.
Wait, so what are you supposed to do? Wait. You guys have gotten very fancy on me very quickly.
So we're just looking at.
So you said.
So number 6, we're computing the residuals, and we're seeing what statement best describes the residuals. So we're going to do a visual of the visuals to describe it. So highlight column D and column E.
Oh, okay. Column D and column E.
And then go to Insert at the top of the Excel. Insert and click on Scatter Plot.
Okay. And it's normal scatter plot? Scatter with markers, scatter with...
Yeah, just with markers.
I don't think it matters. Those are just visual representations.
Yep, just with markers. And then that'll give you the visual of it.
And it looks normal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see any pattern.
And so on number...
Mac, did I ever tell you that you're a genius?
What? Sorry?
Did I ever tell you that you're a genius?
No. I just got lucky on this one, that's all. So on number 6, I put alpha. The residuals are between about -40 and 25 based on that graph.
Awesome.
Cool.
Hold on, give me 1 second. I will be right back.
Based on the QQ plot.
Yeah, so then I've forgotten how we do a QQ plot. We go to ANOVA, right?
Alright, hold on. Based on the QQ plot. Okay, now I'm back. Sorry, my daughter's just waking up from a nap. She usually sleeps through
Very
this,
good.
but she decided that today would be more fun. Okay, so do a QQ plot for this. How do we do that? Is it just going back to the... Wait, hold on. Wait, the QQ plot's on the sheet already, isn't it?
Yeah, I believe it's created just right below the data already.
Yep,
Is that the
okay,
same-
Oh,
that's
the
right.
scatter plot's a QQ plot?
Yeah, I thought that.
No, the scatter plot isn't the QQ plot, it's the other plot, residual plot. That's what we just did.
So this one that's already up is a QQ plot. I thought this was a scatter plot.
It looks like a hot dog.
I think we just did a scatter plot for the regression, for the residuals, but this is a scatter plot.
So the difference with the QQ plot versus just a regular scatter plot is the data is arranged from least to most,
Yeah.
smallest to greatest, and so that's the difference. They programmed this one to do that with the data,
Oh.
which will keep it. That's why if you ever when we did QQ plots on the other one,
Mm-hmm.
that's why we always had to flip it from greatest to smallest. Otherwise, like random stuff everywhere.
Okay. So this is the
Should
QQ.
should we arrange this? Should we arrange this data then?
No. So in the one we just did, we don't do that. So what we're doing is we're checking the regression. So that's columns D and E. The QQ plot is made out of columns A and B, I believe. I may be wrong on that, but I'm pretty sure that's the case.
So-
and on
so the-
top. So the
QQ
one we just did
is the scatter
Sorry.
plot that's already in the Excel spreadsheet then, right?
yeah, that's our QQ plot. But in order to
Okay.
check the regression like we're supposed to, we need to do what Mac just walked us through. And we don't need to organize the data. We just need to look fancy. It kind of goes over in the text.
But question 7 says based on the QQ plot for these residuals. So we do need to do a QQ
Yeah.
plot for residuals, which it
Yeah,
doesn't.
so then the QQ plot's going to be your QQ plot. Then it's probably D and E. Is probably where it's from. Because I'm pretty sure the QQ plot is the one that's provided, so it's not based off A and B. Anyways, as I understand it, we can use the one that we have. Whatever they're asking us, that should be provided. Yeah. I maybe unless they went over something in the text that I missed, that's what they told us to do. Use the QQ plot already provided.
Well,
Did I miss something?
no, I agree with you. I think we have the plots already.
So you think that's it because it has to, so you think that graph provided is the QQ plot of the residuals?
I think so. You have the scatter plot, the residual plot, and the QQ plot. So maybe not. What does the text have to say about this? Sorry, my helper is striking. Oh, you're eating my note paper. How useful. Good job. Oh, that's a fiber. Does anyone know what the relationship is between babies and their retraction of paper?
My little girl literally just ate a ton today.
Oh gosh, I've got a sticky bum.
Okay, so I went back to the lesson. It says QQ plot of the residuals. Once the residuals have been calculated in SPSS, we can assess if they are normally distributed using a QQ plot. We simply make a QQ plot of the residuals. If the points in the QQ plot are close to the... Yeah.
Oh, do we know the thing to make the QQ plot from earlier in the semester then?
Yeah, I think we do. Where is that? That's what I...
It's quantitative descriptive statistics.
Yep. Hold on. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. My daughter just has to cuckoo back. Yes, you do give a...
Have fun.
Oh, I'm having fun. Fortunately, you're changing cables right next to where I do my homework.
So what data are we putting in there for the QQ plots? Do you put?
It's a column E. Becky?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yep. Yep.
The problem with that is that if you try to copy column E, it copies the formula instead, and that's not going to play nice.
Those hookers. I mean, those very sweet, nice people.
That's funny.
I need to be a better person. Okay. And by hookers, I meant those fishers of men who use hooks like nice hooks. Okay, thank you.
Well,
All right.
Oh. It pastes it for me.
You just have to paste values, Mark. Instead of Control V, you have to right click it and paste values.
Oh.
And then I forgot, how do we sort? Oh, no, that's easy. Oh, I got it. Oh, so there we go. There's a QQ plot of the residuals, and it's right on the line. And I seem to remember something in the videos that I watched that did say you have to go back to that QQ thing and plot them.
How did you sort it, Becky? What's the way to do that?
Lowest to highest. Oh, you right click on the data?
Oh, sorry. There we go. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right.
Does that work for you, Matt?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yep.
Okay. Sorry. This is one of the reasons why I'm really looking forward to the end of the semester. Is I am rearranging my apartment so that it makes more sense.
You always have to
okay. Mystery of the What?
You always have to change it when they grow through their different stages, don't you?
Different stages, and I initially pulled her changing thing out to our main area.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I have my desk in her room. But I did because we had a bunch of babysitters coming over all the time, and now we're not having babysitters come over here all the time. And my desk back here so I can work while she's sleeping. Right now, I'm sitting on the kitchen table.
So, Mark,
Okay.
did you get that to work? Did you get it to paste? Are you good?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
I just got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So number
You good,
7.
Sarah?
I'm familiar with the concept. I'm going to run with it for now. Next time I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay.
It makes sense what we just did, so I just am dealing with the child and putting it back for a nap.
Yeah,
Okay.
got
So
it.
fairly normal for number 7, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Whose turn is it for
Let's
8?
see. Is it my turn? Whose turn is it? It should be yours, Becky.
Oh, my turn. Okay. Use software to create a scatter plot of the data, which we did, right? Oh, no.
Right.
Version 2. There is a linear relationship between x and y. The residuals are normally distributed. I think all of them.
The two of them aren't shown from the QQ plot and the
Oh yeah, those
regressions.
last two you can't get from the.
X's are known as constants, and observations are independent. Aren't that data?
You're right. Yep. So just A, there is a linear relationship. C, the residuals are normally, and D, the X values are measured without error.
What about the variance of error true is constant for all I? Oh, you're right. That doesn't show. I'm right. You're right. You're right. Okay. B1.
Wait, which ones is it? A, C, and D.
Yes.
A, C, and D. Sorry.
That's not happening at all.
Yeah.
Sorry.
When everybody get
kill someone.
B1.
What?
What's our B1? I've got 0.695.
I got 12.695.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Excellent.
And then
Yeah,
lower.
okay. 95% constant.
How do you oh, there, you just up there.
Son of a cow. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, 95. Where's my 95%? There you are. You're so cute. Okay.
So
I
lower.
got
10.674.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yep.
Wait, what do you guys get for lower?
10.674.
10.6774.
Oh, I was thinking the wrong interval thing. Okay, 10.674. Got it. Thank you.
And upper 14.715.
Yep.
Hold on. 10.674. Upper 14.715.
715.
14 point. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
No, I really thank you, man. Thank you. Okay, hold on. My computer's flipping out. We're going to be friends, computer. Remember friends. Okay, hold on. There we go. Now it's over. Alright. 12. We are on 12, correct?
Yeah.
Correct.
Okay.
Whose turn is it?
It's mine.
Okay.
Here you go. Look at this really quick. No. Okay, where did it give us the alpha?
Well,
They
if it's a
just
95% confidence, it's 0.05.
Right.
What? Oh, it's 0.95. So the alpha is the confidence level.
No, it's
No, the
0.05. It's the remaining
Oh,
of 1, if you will.
okay. And are we looking at the R on this? Is that correct?
No.
Or no, the p-value. Never mind, p-value. The p-value is astronomically smaller.
Yep, minuscule.
Like mega. Yep. I would say we reject this. I don't know how I missed the p-value. I was like, there's no p-value on this. What am I looking at? Oh gosh. Can I just say it's Monday and we'll call you in?
You have to be sure and look at that second line of p-value, right? Not the first line.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's like negative 10 to the negative 24.
Yeah.
They're both small enough.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so we reject the null hypothesis. So then we have sufficient evidence to say that I'm going with D.
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
sufficient evidence to conclude. Yep. Pressure line is not 0. Yay!
Okay, let's see
Oh
here.
gosh. I'm going.
Let's see here. For the next 5 problems, head length was used to predict the body length, which means that the dependent variable is the body length.
Yes. Well done. Well
Y.
done.
Body length is Y.
Yes.
Yes.
Try not to be so Mark. Sorry. Oh gosh. Does anyone else find it funny that like all the other spreadsheets were like 1 lesson and this one's like the entire 4th unit?
I know, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, you said 14 is head length, right?
Body length.
Okay, say it one more time. Y is
Okay.
body length.
So it says here in the question, for the next 5 problems, head length was used to predict body length. That means that body is dependent on the head length.
Gotcha. Yep. All right.
The body is Y.
Alright. And does it say do a 95% confidence interval on this thing?
It hasn't said yet.
Oh, it's question 15. I'm reading ahead. Right. Man.
I'm gonna go get a Christmas tree today.
Yay! Margin of error. Alright.
All right, there we go.
1 second, I'm being really slow here.
You're okay.
I think it's Google Hangouts. Kind of screws everybody's computers up.
It thinks it's funny, so I'd be excited. Hold on. Nice, slightly
Margin
not.
of error, B1, 95%.
So
Okay.
on this one, we just do
Alright.
upper minus lower divided by 2, correct, for B1?
Correct.
So 0.443, is that what everyone got?
Hang on. Let me
Hold on.
let me calculate.
Use your
Before we all, I love how we're all paranoid. We trust each other, but we're like, let's just make sure. Just make sure.
443. I don't. It's not that I don't trust you. It's that I want to make sure I'm getting the same thing you guys are getting.
Okay, well, no, that's what it is. Is it? Well, it's so. Comparing the 2 semesters I've done this, my last group, whoever got it first, everyone just went with their answer. And this
That's funny.
group, there's trust that we're getting. We're just making sure that we all A, know how to get it, and B, then we're also making sure that somebody didn't make a mistake somewhere.
Well, you guys also had like a ton of different opportunities to submit the quiz.
Yeah.
That's also cool.
You got 0.443.
Yep, 0.443. Yep.
Go back to 14 for me though. Is it A or B? I know you said it 20 times.
Hang on. B.
Okay, thanks.
Uh-huh.
B is in Wimbledon.
Oh my gosh. The lower bound 7.218.
Yeah.
Yep.
Upper bound is 8.103.
My good night. We're almost there. We're almost there.
Based on your lower bound and upper bound, the last 2 problems, what can you say about B1? It's the first one, isn't it? We're 95% confident that the interval will contain
Yeah.
the true value of B1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Glad you finally told. I'm glad I went to the office hour and found out how to stupid can't thing. Holy crap. Before I was doing those
Alright.
questions, I was like playing Russian roulette. Okay. What if we?
Oh, we got 8 wrong.
What?
What?
Got 8 wrong.
We missed 8 questions, or we missed question 8?
Number 8. Question number 8.
Oh, okay.
That's better.
That's much better.
Yes, just question
Oh my
number 8.
gosh.
Yes, they're all correct. But 8 is the
Okay,
one
that is hilarious.
about.
All right, hang on. I haven't. My computer is slow to the point where I didn't submit yet. So hang on.
Oh, you lucky rat.
Luckily, I
Okay.
I know, right?
We lucked out, Mark.
Yeah.
That's it, guys. We're fighting. Darn you and your luckiness. Just kidding.
Well, I think it's because I'm hosting this.
Ah,
Aha!
that makes
Aha!
See.
The hang on.
oh, biscuits.
Oh, you know what? It should be A, B, and C.
Okay.
If I'm right.
A, B, and C. Yeah.
Because we can't tell that the x values are measured without error, but we can tell the variance of the error term is constant for all values of x.
Okay. So A, B, and C?
Yeah.
That's correct, Becky.
You think so?
Oh.
Well, I submitted it. It's correct.
Oh, you did. Okay. Good.
So yes, I do believe so.
Sorry. I don't know.
Pretty sure.
Okay.
Pretty sure. All right, Becky, do you? I'm gonna go ahead and stop the broadcast.
Okay.
Yeah.